welcome to this episode. This episode's about Cucina Povera, which is pork cooking and how we utilise the ingredients that we have and implement them into today. So, I'm going to cook a bit of lunch for me and Marco. And I have some fresh vegetables that I got from the market. I've got some broccoli, just a half a broccoli, half of a zucchini and a handful of beans. I'll show you the zucchini that I got. So I just chopped up with about a quarter of these zucchini. These zucchini are absolutely delicious. They're seasonal, and a lot of the Italians have them growing, and they're the really long ones that they're growing up on. They've got like a net, and they come through and they grow all through there. So a lot here on the Gold Coast, the Chinese, the Asians have these, and I've got to get up really early in the morning to get these ones. So I've got some water boiling, and I'm going to put them in the pot and let them cook for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add a cup and a half of rice in with that pot. It's a really easy dish, and I've got 2 slices of scotch fillet, and I thought to myself, what do I do? So I'm going to make a nice light, not a risotto, but a light meal with rice, with the vegetables and the protein in with it, and wait till you see how it comes out and you think to yourself, oh my God, that was easy, delicious, and I'm going to make it.
Soul. When did I become a lonely ghost?
has cooked in the pot. We're going to add the meat.
Alone in my room, but no one to kiss. Sleep in a queen size bed, but without a king. Can somebody bring me back to
Look at that.
life? There's someone in the mirror, someone I
Close
don't
so you can
know.
see it.
And I'm starting to freak out. Oh, where should I go? The bluest days, but they look darker than her soul. When did I become a lonely
That's
ghost?
beautiful. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. That's probably a tablespoon. Look at me.